Transformation is about creating the future without the constraints of the past. But right now, there are countless companies informing their workforces and stakeholders that they're undergoing transformation using digital, when in fact, they're simply undergoing a little bit of change using some new technology. The difference is that transformation creates the future, while change only fixes the past. Which means that many firms right now are under the illusion that they're undergoing transformation, when in reality, they're not. You might have heard the sayings, when a snake sheds its skin, it changes. But when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, it transforms. And when digital transformation is done right, it's like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. But when done wrong, all you have is a really fast caterpillar. While plenty of companies have latched onto the notion of transformation, many are deluding themselves with digital sugarcoating efforts, which do little if anything to really transform their business. Being bold enough to rethink your business model and let go of old beliefs is what great leaders like Reed Hastings at Netflix did, instead of just squeezing harder on his DVD business. But too many leaders are still squeezing harder on what worked in the past. Established firms needn't be among the 75% of S&P 500 companies that are predicted to be gone by the end of the decade. But their leaders need to know the difference between change and transformation. The difference between digital sugarcoating and legitimate transformation. The need to seize the opportunity to explore new business models, the obligation to get out of their own way, and the need to act before they have to. How is your company avoiding being too caught up with its old business model to create a new future for itself?